Help. Bandage. I put a bandage on my cut. The bandage helped stop the bleeding. First aid kit. The first aid kit is useful for many accidents. We used the first aid kit to clean my cut. Fog. We walked slowly because of the fog. Foggy. It was very foggy this morning. Plaster. I put a plaster on my cut. Whistle. My father gave me a whistle as a gift. Mountain rescue team. The mountain rescue team helps people who are lost. Storm. We stayed inside because of the storm. I was scared because of the storm. Fall over. He fell over and hurt his knee. I fell over because the floor was slippery. Cat. She cut her hand while cooking. Compass. I use a compass to find directions.